Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We're going to do my last flight of the evening. We're going to take up the FMS Futura V3.
Motor.
Yeah, motor on is always easier to fly when the motor is actually on. All right. Take this beautiful baby down here. I'm running. You know, I don't even remember now what I'm running as far. Oh yeah, I'm running an AR. Hold on, I don't even remember now. I want to say it's an AR 631, but now I don't remember. Now I'm curious. So hold on just a second while I. No, that's right. It's an AR 620. With reflex, and I only have the reflex with the with just the power, so it's just an optimized mode, just AS3X for wind mitigation. All right, I'm running a 4000 Sokoken brand
Landing flaps.
Sokoken brand
Flaps up.
6S center. Oh, that's a beautiful jet.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Boy, that is.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
That wind is starting to kick up again. Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. All right. Isn't that a beautiful jet, folks? Look at that thing. That thing is beautiful. Elegant lines. Looks like a spaceship. It does. It looks like a spaceship to me. I guess that's why they call it the Futura. Oh man, that not glorious? Absolutely glorious. All right, I'm gonna come by slow, coming by dirty. That means the gear and the flaps are all the way down. I'm going to fly around the club dirty. I'm going to start lining myself up for my landing. Because folks, I got to tell you, Fat Guy is hungry. And Fat Guy is ready to go get some supper. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Pilot didn't spill his whiskey on that one. His crew's passed out, but he's okay. We got a minute and 20 seconds, so you know that means I gotta go again. You know that. You know I'm Mr. One More Time and one more time and one more time. It's like when I go fishing with my dad. It's always just one more cast. One more cast. 20 minutes later, one more cast.
Gear down. landing flaps.
Man, I love this jet. I gotta tell you, it's a toss-up. It's really getting to be a toss-up between the Avanti S and this Futura. I mean, it is getting to be an absolute toss-up. Well, I got 46 seconds, so one more time. My jet agrees.
Landing flaps.
I gotta say, I'm going to share my landing flaps settings with you, because I gotta tell you, I think the landing settings, or landing flap settings versus elevator mix, are perfect, because I don't have any kind of pitch up or
10.
oh yeah. All right, we're down to 10 seconds, so I can't go one more time. Gosh darn it. Is that not a beautiful jet?
6.
All right, now while we've got enough daylight where you can tell, let me, number one, motor off. Let me show you, this is my flap settings. On a Spectrum setup, the NX10, any of the NX or DX series, for your flaps up, negative 100%. Takeoff flaps, negative 50% with a 6% down elevator mix. With your landing flaps, 75% with a 10% down elevator mix with a 2-second deployment. That seems to be perfect. She doesn't pitch up, she doesn't pitch down, she just slows down for you, and that's what you're really wanting. And I did that entire flight with the settings of my mid rates, which are 80% on the aileron with 20% expo, and on my elevator 80% with 20% expo, and rudder, I think I keep it at rudder, I got it at 100% with 10% expo. All right, that's what I flew her in. I'm very happy with that. Let's go out, prop motors off, and let's just see how much juice is left in that tank. All right, there's where I've got the 4,000, and that is a, I don't know, so Koken, it's off Amazon. It's an ADC discharge 4000 6S. Got my smart checker with me. Hold it in your right hand, turn the prongs down, okay, and 21%, 3.7576 all the way down. That's a good storage rate. A little less than I like. I like it closer to 30%, but I'll take that all day long. I mean, hey, when you get these batteries in the mail, lots of times they're at 14%. Well, folks, thank you so much for watching. Let's put our, oh, and by the way, just go ahead and count on having to carve some out of that canopy to fit these batteries in. They want you to put a 6S in there that's flat as a pancake. But that is the FMS Futura V3, an amazing jet. It's right up there with the Avanti S in my book. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Don't forget faith, family, and friends, and these amazing jets. Love them.